install Git and GitHub on your system. So let's get started. So first of all, you just have to open your favorite browser and search for Git. And here, like, you can see official website of Git, and you can just click on this link. And I'm just like I'm using Linux right now. I will follow this link, download for Linux. And here you can see we just we just have to follow this very simple command to install Git in our system. So you just have to copy this command, and now I'm going to minimize the browser and I'm going to open my terminal, and we just have to provide sudo, and then we have to paste our command and hit enter. So as our installation is going, so now we are done with the installation. So now let's check the version that we have installed using git --version. So we just have